guys, my baby brother is calling me. Bulaga. Bulaga. Ah, bulaga, bulaga, bulaga. She's so cute. So cute. Sisikat ako dito. Cute. You should talk. Do you want to see no printer? Okay, guys. Ano, may printer pa ba yan? It's not. Me, no printer. No printer. Uy, 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 no printer. Joke lang. I'm just practicing. I just lock it. Guys na ba? Baka part 3 na to guys. Baka 5. Okay, 4. Remember po po. Nasa ka na 4. 4. Ano? Tapos baka 5 na tayo makaka-parity. Kasi nag-aayos pa ako ng baka 6 pa nga eh. Bang na best. Ay, guys. So, tagal lumabas. Guys na ako. Oh.